In this episode, Good Karma Airlines takes you on a flight for patient airlift services down to Georgia and then on to Mount Airy, North Carolina with medical patient Kenneth and his wife Carolyn. This nice couple was heading from their home in Georgia to Philadelphia to receive specialized medical treatment for Kenneth. Despite a minor aircraft issue, a ground delay at the airport, gusty wind conditions, and routing changes from ATC, everything worked out fine at the end of the day.
Vision 9 Juliet Mike, did you custom order the paint on that, or is that what Cirrus built them with? 9 Juliet Mike, Roger. Good weekend airplane.
Yeah, I think so. Thanks.
Did you know Patient Airlift Services is going above and beyond to lift people up and have been doing so for over 10 years?
Clear across runway 14.
Vision Jet 9 Juliet Mike, fly runway heading, maintain 3000, runway 19, clear for takeoff.
Runway heading up to 3000, clear for takeoff, runway 19, 379 Juliet Mike.
They have provided over 23,000 free medical flights for patients and military veterans.
Vision Jet 9 Juliet Mike, contact National Departure.
Over departure, have a great one. 9 Juliet Mike. National Departure, Vision Jet 379 Juliet Mike, 2.3 for 3000.
379 Juliet Mike, departure for the contact, climb maintain 15,000, present heading.
We'll stay on this heading up to 15,000, 9 Juliet Mike.
And have also facilitated over 5,400,000 miles of passenger flights. Patient Airlift Services maintains a coordination center to connect people to pilots and oversee missions. Their staff is dedicated to the PALS mission and always strives to provide each passenger with the absolute best service and experience.
Vision Jet 379 Juliet Mike, Atlanta Center, Roger, climb maintain flight level 230.
We'll climb and maintain 2309 Juliet Mike. 1849 Juliet Mike, have a great one. Nashville approach, Vision Jet 379 Juliet Mike, 11,000 with information for Smyrna.
379 Juliet Mike, Nashville approach, Nashville altimeter 3038, expect the visual approach from my 19 Smyrna.
3038, we'll expect the visual for 19, 9 Juliet Mike.
Number 9 Juliet Mike, clear direct to Smyrna.
Direct Smyrna, 9 Juliet Mike.
Number 9 Juliet Mike, Senate pilot's discretion, maintain 5,000.
PD8 down and then maintain 5,000, 9 Juliet Mike. As we get closer, this screen always fills up. That's a traffic screen.
Here, 9 Juliet Mike, cleared visual approach from my 19 Smyrna.
Clear for visual 19, 9 Juliet Mike.
Here, 9 Juliet Mike, traffic's 12 o'clock, 4 miles northbound, altitude indicates 3,400.
Roger, looking for traffic, 9 Juliet Mike.
Here, 9 Juliet Mike, traffic's now 2 o'clock and a mile northbound, indicating 3,500. Should be a diamond.
Insight, no factor.
Roger, insight, no factor for 9 Juliet Mike.
Here, 9 Juliet Mike, radar service terminated, contact at Smyrna Tower 18.5. Good day.
Over to Tower, thanks a lot, 9 Juliet Mike. Smyrna Tower, Vision Jet 379 Juliet Mike, with you on the visual for 19.
Vision Jet 379 Juliet Mike, front turn left base 4 runway 19. Wind C10 at 14, gust 20, altimeter 3040. Runway 19, clear 2 lanes.
We'll enter left base for 19, clear to land, and 3040, 9 Juliet Mike.
Arch 485 Alpha, Roger, make a left turn after departure, runway 19, clear for takeoff, traffic turning left base, Vision Jet.
Clear for takeoff, runway 19, left turn through 485 Alpha.
Cessna 813, number 2, your traffic on the left base for a 2-mile final to Vision Jet. Cirrus 2 Romeo Juliet, south departure, runway 19, clear for takeoff, no delay, traffic left base final at Vision Jet. Vision 9 Juliet Mike, traffic Cirrus departing.
Roger, we'll keep an eye out, 9 Juliet Mike.
500.
Continue.
Minimums.
Continuing.
If you or somebody you know is in need of medical transportation, please give Patient Airlift Services a call at 888-818-1231 for more information. Keep in mind that services provided by Patient Airlift Services are free of charge.
Vision 9, Juliet Mike, turn right on 2 Alpha, contact ground.
Right on Alpha, contact ground, 9 Juliet Mike.
If you enjoy watching these videos, please subscribe and hit the like button. This helps us provide great content for you into the future. Thanks for watching the channel.